What's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you a brand new hack. I'm gonna show you how to get reviews by texting your Amazon customers. That's right, email is dead in 2020. The new way to getting reviews is by texting your Amazon customers, and I've found a way how to do it. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Welcome to the channel, and for those who don't know me, I'm Ecom Dave. I'm a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and FBA coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to contact your Amazon customers through text so you can remind them to leave a review. We all know how important reviews are when it comes to the Amazon FBA business. More reviews equal more social proof that ultimately equal to more sales, right? So reviews are a must when it comes to Amazon FBA. Now I'm going to show you how to contact your Amazon customers through text so you can remind them to leave you one. All right, guys, so we're here in rebate.com. This is a site similar to RebateKey. For all of you who are not familiar with these sites, this is a site that essentially has their own following with people that want a highly discounted product, right? So whenever you're the ranking part of your business, right, you're trying to rank for those keywords, and you need to match the sales velocity of the people in page one. Rebate helps you do exactly just that, right? They give you can set it up here in the dashboard and how many products you want to give away at what percentage, and they have a big size of buyers coming into a site, right? So this is what it looks like from the buyer perspective on Rebate. So people come in and they see all these products, right? So essentially what this site does is it tells them to go buy your product from full price on Amazon, right? Because you want to be getting full price buys from Amazon so you rank faster for your keywords, but this site will then rebate them the portion of the money back to them. So a lot of their customers here are incentivized to buy your product right away, right? So you start getting those sales velocity, which ultimately would rank you to the page one. All right, simple. If you guys have any questions, I know I'm going to be going over a lot of information here. Just drop them in the comments below and I'll get right to them. Okay, guys, so we're here on the seller side of Rebate, right? So this is the seller dashboard and this is the buyer dashboard, right? Two different things. So as sellers, we're going to create a campaign so buyers can see our product here and then get them at a discounted price, and we start getting those sales from Amazon, right? So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to create a campaign here. So new campaign, choose file, choose, and then choose, right? Say for example, we're trying to rank for the milestone blanket keyword here. So the campaign is milestone blanket, all right? The title, it's gonna be milestone blanket. You can just put the same title as your title on Amazon, and you can put the same description as your description on Amazon, right? So we're gonna keep this short, so I'm not gonna write a full description. But here you go, you have it here, category. Let's see, baby, and here's where you're gonna have your two-step URL. Okay, guys. So very important, you put your two-step URL here, which essentially is targeting the keyword, in my case, milestone blanket. If you don't know how to create a two-step URL, please comment below two-step URL Amazon, and I'll make one video exactly on how to do that, or you guys can just YouTube two-step URL. There's a bunch of videos that show you how. The reason why you want it to be a two-step URL targeting keyword is targeting the main keyword that you want to rank for, is so when people click on this link right from the site to get to Amazon, that sale goes towards that keyword and you get ranking for that keyword, right? So we're gonna go here next, and let's see. Here is our product, right? And here's where we're gonna put our sales price. Our sales price is $19.99 for this product, and this is what you're selling it for on Amazon. And the rebate, say for example, we want to give it at 100% off, right? So we start getting a lot of sales. And then here's what you would put how many units you want to give away per day, right? So for example, on the Milestone Blanket market, I see that the average sales on page 1 are 300, say for example, and I want to match them so I can get to page 1. I'm gonna do 10 units a day, right? And then next. Then you have to fund the daily campaign, because remember, they are going to be refunding the people their money, right? And then next, and then your campaign will be live. Once your campaign is live, it's gonna look something like this from the buyer's dashboard, right? And then people are gonna come in and then they are going to buy your product, right? Say for example, we got this one. They're gonna click on redeem offer. All right, perfect. This is your server rebase, and then submit, right? So when they click submit, the system is going to ask them to, okay, cool. Buy now on Amazon, right? Boom. And then when that's where that link that you came in that you put in earlier is that two-step URL, that's where it'll show up, right? So it came up here, and now the customer has to buy this product from Amazon at full price, and then they have to put in the order number in order for rebate to send them their rebate. Right? Simple as that, right? So you are getting a full price buy from Amazon. Amazon doesn't know that they're getting their money back from this site, right? So the only thing Amazon sees is a full price buy, which is gonna help you a lot when it comes to ranking. So super important. So now, how you get your text messages sent to the people who have bought your product through rebate is right here by shopper messaging. And you can create a little template right here. So say for example, thank you for purchasing our Milestone Blanket. Please leave us a review here. And here's where you're gonna add a link. So here I have the URL that'll take them straight to the part on Amazon where they're going to leave a review for your product. So super simple. Just I'll leave the URL down here, and all you gotta do is enter your ASIN right here, right? So delete this, enter your ASIN, and this URL, whenever they click on their phone, is gonna take them straight to the leave a review part to your product. Right? So simple, right? Super simple. Make it super simple for your customers. Only one click, they'll leave a review, and boom, they're right there, ready to leave a review. So you guys can say something like this, or obviously you can be more creative, right? I'm just showing this example so I can be as quick as possible. But obviously, say something along the lines of, "Thank you for purchasing our Milestone Blanket. Please leave us a review here." Or say something like, "We're a small business. Any reviews really help us." Just be creative with it, and yeah, and that's it. Submit. And I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like when it comes in right here. This is what the buyer is gonna see right here. There's your message with the link to leave a review. Right? They click on it, and it takes them right to the review part of Amazon. Right? Super simple, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, rebate.com is the tool that we used. Right? Go ahead and check it out. And if you have, again, any questions, don't be afraid to message me. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next.